Hey everybody, hope everyone's having a good day today. Today I just wanted to make a quick video about something a little different actually. I wanted to make it about Bitcoin, something I haven't done in this channel yet. Um, but if you guys have invested in Bitcoin or you keep up with, with Bitcoin data, then you will be somewhat familiar about what's been happening in the past few days. So there's kind of been this big commotion about this drop. And if we grab our measuring tool within the past 3 days, it's gone as low as 17%, okay? So some people are, taking a look at this movement and making the claim that it's going to be moving in a bearish direction just off of this drop and even going as far as to selling their Bitcoin. And honestly, I can see where they're coming from. If we scroll out here, we can see that it's actually peaked into this resistance line, the area of it at least, not exactly, but it has peaked into this resistance area. So it is a little bit of a concerning area for it to make a reversal. That being said, I don't think there's anything to worry about right away. I think a lot of people are overreacting as they usually do, and here's why. What we want to do is let's actually look back on Bitcoin, see the past, and see if it's had the similar movement, and if so, what's happened to it afterwards. So as you can see already right here, right here, there's a big one. There is a big drop on March 12th, and if we grab our tool here again, this one within 4 or 5 days actually managed to drop as low as 50%. Okay, and once again, as you can see quite clearly, it eventually did rebound and we're fine. And same thing with like right here, right? There's been a big drop and eventually it rebounded. Big drop, eventually, after a little bit of a bullish market, I guess here, it rebounded though. So when we compare drops like this one right here and this one right here to what's happening right now, we can see a lot of similarities, and honestly, this one isn't as big as a drop as we've had in the near past, right? We've seen this before, and we've seen that time and time again, it continues to go in upward direction. So once again, the only thing that is a little more concerning this time is this resistance line that it was peaking into. But just based off of that, we can't make enough evidence that this will be going into a bearish market. So what we need to do right now is honestly just wait. We don't have to make any bold moves and sell all of our Bitcoin because we don't know what's going to happen. We don't have enough evidence to make either claim. These next few days are going to be very interesting to see what's going to happen. It'll tell us a lot about what Bitcoin will look like in the near future. So if it continues going down to minor 3-4% candles like these, that honestly wouldn't be the worst thing. That could just tell us that this is another pullback, maybe a larger pullback than we've seen before, but that wouldn't be a very concerning thing. What may be concerning is if we start to see lower lows and lower highs, okay? So if it goes down and then it pulls back a little bit and creates a higher low and then continues going down, that could be concerning because that's sign of a bearish market, right? But as of right now, all that I'm seeing right now is a pullback, okay? What could very well happen, and I think is going to happen personally, is it's going to continue going up in an upward direction off of this pullback and break through to a new high. Once again, we don't really know what's going to happen. We don't have enough evidence to make a concrete suggestion on either side, so we're just going to have to wait. In the next few days, I'll probably be making an update video about what's happening, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, guys, yeah, I wouldn't panic. I definitely wouldn't sell your Bitcoin like some people have been doing. If anything, I would buy Bitcoin, to be honest. I myself have bought a little bit of Bitcoin this morning, added it to my wallet. So, but like, yeah, do whatever, trade at your own risk. But yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.